Logo is a symbol or an enterprise. It is not just a simple image. The logo also represents the corporate culture and value. Let's get to know the logo of Ounuo. Ounuo devotes the sustainable development of the world and the industry, and we provide more intelligent equipment. This is the first concept of our logo, love the environment. Ounuo have more than 400 staffs, and within our company, there are various divisions devoted to the development of different projects. Our growth is inseparable from the love of our employees for the company. That's the second concept of our logo, love company. We have overseas engineers dedicated to solving customers' problems. We have world-class processing workshop to produce machines for customers. We have a 3D intelligent warehouse to provide upsell service for customers. This is the third concept of our logo, love customer. Thanks for watching. Following Ounuo for knowing more intelligent machines.